Hello there. This is the second part of my video, and I just wanted to show you how the rest of my canvas evolved, but I also wanted to say to you that it is time now to take advantage of having family and friends around you. There is Thanksgiving coming up in the US, and of course Christmas around the world. So if you're having friends and family call in to visit you through the Christmas period, the seasonal holidays, take advantage of that. Get yourself a canvas sorted out and make a family flower garden. Get each person who is willing to do so to put their own flower onto the canvas and then sign near it that that is their flower. Whether you use a bottle bottom or a balloon or any one of a number of other ways of making flowers, you will end up with a flower garden that has been made by your family and friends and is personally yours. I am planning on doing it, but I will not be filming it as it will be personal to me. Right, so now I will get on with showing you the second half of my video garden on canvas. So here is a close-up of my flower garden on a canvas. It's all dried now. I'm particularly happy with the way the flowers have evolved. The little red one here that was a lot paler when I first did it, but has brightened up beautifully. The crimson red along with the metallic orange, and of course the silver has come out beautifully. Sorry if the camera wobbles a bit, I'm moving it around as best I can. That was the first flower there that I did. Absolutely gorgeous. Loved the centerpiece. Believe it or not, this piece here reminds me of the inside of a cut open passion fruit. My imagination. And then my little flowers on the edges that I tried to make like calendulas, but didn't quite work out. And my edge flower. And the flowers I made from leftover paint drippings. I thought they were quite cute and unusual. My leaf. My leaf. I added a few little veins there to it, which you might, I don't want that to be too blurry. You might just see that I ran up the edges of the leaves with a lighter green, lime green. And my big, beautiful flower that I tried to make look like a chrysanthemum, but it's a flower. And down in the corner here, my little puffballs, I call them. Little flowers again, I don't want that to get too blurry. And last but not least, my beautiful little gold flowers up here, which I put a little bit of the burnt umber metallic, which I call coffee, into the middle of those. So that's it. I have finished my garden. So pretty. Really happy with it. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.